everyone, nice to meet you. Welcome to our podcast. Today we have our special guest. What's your name, sir?
My name is Dide Fadilah and I'm from University of Informatika.
Before we going to the topic, can I ask you some favorite thing?
Sure.
So how do you get into this point to becoming a pro engineering at network computer?
Well, technically I'm not really a pro. I'm still a student in University of Informatika. And I learned a few things in that university, like how to socialize, how to connect a network to a router, and I also learned a few things in my high school.
Okay. You are learning about network computing, right?
Yeah,
Okay. Simplest definition, what is computer network?
so simply, it is just a bunch of computers connected to each other. Like for example, a home network like Wi-Fi is technically called local area network or LAN, and there's also like the internet where it's called WAN or wide area network.
What are your network? Oh, got it. Now, when I send a message, what actually happened?
So I need a really good example for this. Okay, so technically you have a big, like an example, a big cake.
Okay, a big cake in here.
Yeah, you want to send the cake, but you don't want to ruin it. So you slice the cake and then divide it into a few smaller cakes.
Oh, like that.
Yeah.
And then?
Then you send it to the IP, to the address. And then when the cake is arrived at the destination, you assemble it back into the cake.
Yeah, like a puzzle, send piece by piece, and then assemble at the end.
Yeah, it's technically like that.
Okay. I heard TCP/IP everywhere. What it's really?
TCP/IP. Okay, it's an abbreviation for TCP.
Transfer
It's not like this.
Transfer Control Protocol.
Yeah, something like that.
Okay.
So technically, it handles the chunks the chunks called packets. By the way, the chunks it checks if there's any missing data inside each small chunks, and the IP is technically the addresses for the computer.
Is there something faster like video calls or something?
Yes, there is like faster way. Like there's like a UDP or user datagram protocol, I think. Is that what it's called? Yeah. So it's basically just skips the checking of TCP/IP. Yeah.
Okay. What is USI model? Something like that. What is that?
Okay, there's like a 7 layers here. You have OC layers. It's like the fundamentals of computer networks. There's physical data link, transport, network first. Yeah, network first. So it's physical data link, network, transport, and then session. And then there's also application and presentation.
Oh, can you repeat it? I can hear it. Can you repeat it?
Yeah, there's data link. You start with physical. It's the computer.
So the physical,
Yeah, the physical is the computer of like phones, and then there's data link.
Data link.
Data link is basically like the computer connected to each other.
Okay, then
Then there's the network.
the network.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then there's transport, like the protocols. And then there's session.
Session.
Then after session, there's application and then presentation.
Okay, so this is 7.
Yeah, it's
So this 7 thing is really loading one web page quickly.
yeah, right. Yeah.
Okay, any quick tip for someone starting?
Don't start computer networks. The competition is really high. really higher, I know, but the demand is pretty low for today's market. Learn something else like what is it? Like electrical engineering or civil engineering.
Okay, thanks all for your explanation. Okay, now
I want to
what?
ask. I want to ask something. I still don't really understand about the internet. So, what is the internet like? Isn't it like just one or something?
The internet. Okay. The internet actually is a massive network there, probably all around the world,
Okay.
that connect to each other using the same protocol. And the fact is, not a company or a country owns it.
Oh, so everyone owns it technically.
No, not either company or a country owns it. Yeah, so the internet thing is nobody could have it.
It's like a public space.
Yeah, like that.
Okay, okay. So how does the request say reach another country?
Every device connected has an IP address itself.
Okay.
So it seems like a postal address. So when you type a URL, your request get broken into packets and routed along the way, pass them from network to network until they reach the destination, and then reassemble again into one packet.
Oh, it's kind of like TCP/IP, isn't it?
They is using the same protocol.
Oh, okay, okay. But when I type like the website like the search bar, I only type like www.google.com, not some long numbers with dots.
Alright, that is DNS, the domain name system. So think of it as the phone book. It translates human-friendly names like google.com into the actual numeric IP address. So computer use it to find each other.
Also, technically, like the numbers are for computers, while the word are for us humans.
Yeah, something like that.
Okay. So DNS runs before even any website boots.
Every time, and your browser has nowhere to send the request.
Wait, my browser has to send the request.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So what about like the padlock icon on the utmost left of the search box, like HTTPS? What is that?
That is HTTP. The HTTP mean is hypertext transfer protocol. So this is the protocol that server use to request and send a web. So the S means the data traveling between you and the site is encrypted. So nobody is snooping around the network.
Oh, so my request and sending is like private.
Yeah, very private and getting encrypted, so nobody can sneak into your searching history.
But I've seen hackers like in one of those HTTPS websites.
That was something like phishing link that you actually cannot click it, of course. Like, so you can get spying by the hackers and get in trouble.
So it's not actually an actual link of the actual website. It's just like a look like.
So you can different the link, like the HTTP is not really safe, but the admin is safe link. If the link it's the S in HTTPE, that link must be safe. But you must warn the warning about the HTTP, because not all link that have the S is really safe.
Oh, okay. So, what actually carries the internet physically? Like, is it satellites or cables?
Mostly not actually. The backbone of the internet is undersea fiber optic cable running between continents. Plus fiber and copper on the land. Cell tower for the mobile, and yes, some satellites, especially in remote area.
Oh, so satellites is like kind of like for is it called again, the SpaceX one, the one by Elon Musk?
The NASA thing, NASA.
No, not NASA, like the internet from satellites by Elon Musk.
That Starlink.
Yeah, Starlink. Yeah, so it's kind of like Starlink. So there's Starlink one. There's like the underwater cable one. Yeah. So what happens if like some shark bites the cable?
Some shark bite the cable. No, that's our problem. Like the shark attacking the cable is because the color is black. The shark means that is his prey. So we change the color of the cable into white. So the shark cannot bite it again. So when the shark bite it again, mostly our engineering technically can fix it right after when the cable get bite.
Oh, okay. But the cable is fiber optic, yeah? It's not
Of course.
copper cable.
Not a copper. The copper cable cannot work in under the sea because the copper get rotten,
Yeah, corroded, yeah. Okay, so why does the internet feels kind of different from like home network, like Wi-Fi or something?
That because the scale and openness. So your home network is small and private, but the internet is public and massive and decentralized. Nobody fully in charge, which is powerful, but also by security and reliability are a constant challenge.
Any quick tip to see the internet in action?
Open a terminal or run a trace route to any website, so you'll literally see your request hop across multiple network and country before it reaches the server. It's oddly satisfying for me.
Okay. Before we close this,
I have some internet fact for you before we close.
Sure.
So the internet thing is have something like a search engine.
Yeah.
So the search engine thing seems like, so when you type the google.com and save it into your history. So when you just type the G in search, the full link actually fills up in your bar. So you could just click it and the google.com show up the web.
So the browser memorizes what kind of
what we actually do in the
browser.
Yeah.
Okay, I think I need to delete my browser history. Okay,
Yeah, you could do that after this.
Oh yeah, fun fact also. I think browser can save your browsing history too.
Yeah.
Okay, before we close, I want to tell a joke.
What?
Why the chicken crossed the road?
Why?
Because he wants to go to the other side. Knock.
Who's there?
The chicken. So fucking fun.
That's all for the video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.